Hello everyone, now for another installment in this series of these bulbs and series. Play on words, I guess. So this is one of the LEDs in series with one of the incandescent bulbs. And the LED bulb is lit up nice and bright, but the incandescent bulb does not appear to be lit up at all. I am not seeing anything coming off of those filaments right there. But something interesting happens when I unplug the LED bulb and replace it with one of the other incandescents. And I'm probably going to need to slow this down so you can see it, but so I'm not sure if you could tell what happened, but the one that was one lit up before the other one. And why did this happen? I'm not really sure, and let's keep thinking right here of what's going on. Any further ideas? Let me know. Something else I wanted to point out is that, so this is one of the incandescent bulbs already in there, and this is another incandescent bulb. And the LED has not been plugged in there at all recently, and we see that they both light up at the same time. And so there's something about the LED having been in there and then being taken out that allows the incandescent bulb that was already in there to light up a little bit quicker. Yeah, which is actually the opposite of what I don't know, part of me thinks it's the opposite, part of me thinks it's the exact same thing that would happen. So I'm thinking it's because there was already some current running through it, and so it's already warmed up a little bit, although that goes against what I know about resistors is generally as the temperature increases, resistance increases. And so I would think it would actually take a little bit longer to get the glowing to start. So any ideas, please let me know. So I'm going to modify some of what I said earlier, but I think it's still a clue of what's going on. So these are two incandescent bulbs that are plugged in, and they're both going. When I had one LED and one incandescent, only the LED was lit up. But then the incandescent bulb that had been plugged in lit up before the new incandescent bulb when the two incandescent bulbs were plugged in series. And so I'm going to unplug this bulb right here, plug in this bulb, and we can see once again this one's still lit up first. So I think that's a sign that there is still a current going through the other incandescent bulb when we had an incandescent and the LED. So I think that's somehow a clue to what's going on inside the circuit. I'm not so sure how, but it wasn't lit up, but then it still lit up first when the other incandescent bulb was plugged in. So I think that might give us a clue to what's going on inside the LED bulb when it's in series. I think it might be able to give us a clue somehow.